spelling. So children, now we are getting into the 4th unit regarding the first semester for first year degrees. We are getting into the 4th unit. In 4th unit you got report, punctuation, spelling, and paragraph writing. These are the writing skills. Till now you got listening skills, speaking skills. For reading, it was being replaced with the grammar, and now it is the writing skill. In writing skill, in unit 4, we got punctuation, and the next lesson is spelling. So why the spelling is much important for us? Why in a language the spelling is much important? So how we could see? See, spelling, what is spelling? Spelling is a set of conventions that regulate the way of using graphemes. Graphemes means writing system. And for a writing system, the spelling will regulate in what way to be written and what is the thing to be written and how it is representing the language. So to represent a language in its written form, spelling is a main element. In other words, spelling is the rendering of speech sound. So speech sound ne tirigi writing mode loki marchinappudu spelling anede speech sound anamata. Spelling is one of the elements of orthography. What is orthography? First of all, you see what is a grapheme and what is spelling. So grapheme means writing system. For writing system, spelling plays the main role. So the writing system with graphemes is called orthography. I'll elaborate and tell you in the next slide. Spellings originated as transcriptions of the sounds of spoken language. How the spellings are originated as, so how the spellings has become, they are the transcriptions of sounds of spoken language. So the sounds of spoken language, the phonemes are being transcripted into graphemes. The phonemes are being transcripted into graphemes for the spoken language. The phonemes in spoken language are being transcribed as graphemes for writing system. This is true for various reasons, including that pronunciation changes over time in all languages. Yet, spelling as visual norms may resist change. Could you understand? Various reasons, including that pronunciation. So, we may spell because in some way. And some other countries may spell because in some way. So if we want to know this is because, we have to write and see. The spelling plays a main role. Spelling in visual norms. Visual norms means if we see, pronunciation may be different. But the thing is, if you see the spelling, oh, this word is spelled by some other accent by these people, we could understand. So spelling is a visual norm. Spelling is a visual norm for any language. In addition, words from other languages may be adopted without being adapted. So words from other languages. So there is no varanda for the English people. But anyhow, it was been adopted. అది మనము దత్తత చేసుకున్నాం. వితౌట్ బీయింగ్ అడాప్టెడ్, తీసుకోకుండానే మనం మనం దత్తత చేసేసుకొని వరండా అనే పదాన్ని వాడేస్తున్నాం. టు ద స్పెల్లింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ మీనింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ వర్డ్. Our homophones may be deliberately spelled in different ways to differentiate them visually. Homophones అంటే ఏంటంటమ్మా, ఒకలాగే పలుకుతాం కానీ అవి రాస్తే గానీ తెలియదు, దీని మీనింగ్ వేరే అని. ఇప్పుడు సో స్పెల్లింగ్ అనేది ఎందుకు ఉపయోగపడుతుందంటే, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ వేరుగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ రాసి చూస్తే దీనికి దానికి ఉన్న తేడా, ఓహో ఇది ఒకటే పదం ఇలా పలికారు వీళ్ళు అనే వేరియేషన్ తెలుస్తుంది అనమాట. స్పెల్లింగ్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ విజువలైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్డ్ అనమాట. సో స్పెల్లింగ్ ఎలా డిస్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే, ఈజ్ ఎ సెట్ ఆఫ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ that regulate the way of using graphemes to represent a language in its written form. In other words, spelling is the rendering speech sound into writing. Spelling ఏం చేస్తుందంట, పంపిస్తుంది, స్పీచ్ సౌండ్ నుంచి రిటర్న్ ఫామ్ లోకి పంపిస్తుంది. సో దాన్ని ఆ ఫామ్ని ఏమంటారంటే, స్పెల్లింగ్ అనే ఫామ్ని ఆర్థోగ్రఫీ అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆర్థోగ్రఫీ. అండ్ హైలీ స్టాండర్డైజ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఈజ్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్. కరెక్ట్ స్టాండర్డైజేషన్ స్పెల్లింగ్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే కనుక అదే ఆర్థోగ్రఫీకి మెయిన్ ఎలిమెంట్ అన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ ఫర్ వేరియస్ రీజన్, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ దట్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ చేంజెస్ ఓవర్ టైమ్ ఇన్ ఆల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్, యట్ స్పెల్లింగ్స్ యాజ్ విజువల్ నార్మ్స్ మే రెసిస్ట్ చేంజ్. సో స్పెల్లింగ్ మనం కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ చూసామనుకో, దాని చేంజ్ మనం యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయం. నో, దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్పెల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, this is the standardization. We say దీని స్పెల్లింగ్ ఇదే అని చెప్తాం. In addition, words from other languages may be adopted without being adapted to the spelling system. Homophones. See the homophones, what they are. Homophones. Bread and bread. B-R-E-A-D, B-R-E-D. They are spelled differently. They mean completely different things. So, మనం ఒకటేలాగా పలుకుతాం చూడండి, bread, bread. So B-R-E-A-D means this is for the thing to eat. Bread means to feed. But they are different. They are spelled differently, but we pronounce them same. See the examples of these homophones. The pronunciation will be same, but the spelling is totally different and the meaning is also completely different. R-I-G-H-T, R-I-T-E. This right we got, this R-I-T-E, this is the fundamental rights. R-I-G-H-T is either right or wrong. So this is W-R-I-G-H-T and W-R-I-T. So the totally difference. Read. The same pronunciation, but the spelling is totally different. C-A-R-A-T, C-A-R-E-T, C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot, carrot, carrot. So three are the same, but the spelling is totally different. But the meaning is also different. They are called homophones. The pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different, spelling is different. There, they are. We have to pronounce the same. Rose, rose. Here the rose is flower, here the rice past tense. Two, same. But the thing is, these are called homophones, but they got misspelled. Misspelling a word might seem like a minor mistake. Ayyo, ataditu itadatu rasar ante kada antam, but it can reflect very poorly on a writer. So, akkada writer negligence ankoru, poor knowledge ani kuda anipistundi. See, the process or activity of writing or naming the letter of a word. The book and spellings in my class were too simple. So how the spellings? The way a word is spelled is called a spelling. Plural noun for spelling is spellings. So the example, the spelling of his name was influenced by French. Here it is, the spelling is used as adjective. What the spelling is? A person's ability to spell words. So the process or activity of writing or naming the letters of a word is called spelling. The books and spelling in my class were too simple. The way a word is spelled. Then plural enti spellings. Connected with the development of writing and establishment of modern standard. ఈ స్పెల్లింగ్ అనే దానికి స్టాండర్డ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ అంటే స్టాండర్డ్ నార్మ్స్. కన్వెన్షన్స్ మీన్స్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్. ఎలా డెవలప్ చేశారు? ఎలా అంటే ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ డైలెక్ట్స్ని ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశారు. దాంతో ఎలాగ లాంగ్వేజెస్ విత్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ ఆర్థోగ్రఫీ ఆర్ దోస్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ దట్ ఎంజాయ్ అన్ అఫీషియల్ స్టేటస్. సో మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్కి అఫీషియల్ స్టేటస్ ఎంజాయ్ చేసేది ఏంటి? యూకే. అండ్ ఏ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇన్ ఏ కంట్రీ. సో ప్రతి కంట్రీలో ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ అకాడమీ ఉండి దానికి మన 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 లాంగ్వేజెస్కి వాళ్ళు లిటరరీ అకాడమీ వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. దానికి అఫీషియల్ స్టేటస్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఈ పదం వాడచ్చు, ఇలా మనం నార్మేటివ్గా చేసుకోవచ్చు అని అఫీషియల్ స్టేటస్ చెయ్యాలి. వరండా అనే పదము దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఎనీవేర్, బట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు we got VARA and HA, we will use it. It got its official status. Therefore, normative spellings is a relatively recent development linked to the compiling of dictionaries. So that is called a normative spelling. The founding of national academics and other institutions of a language. So our language maintenance will see such kind the institutes. Academies will see and give and they pay and they render the official status to those words. Then we could use. So while some words admit multiple spellings, some spellings are not considered standard. These are commonly called misspellings. A misspelled word can be a series of letters that represents not correctly spelled word of the same language at all, such as like, for like. So this may be acceptable for some in some countries, but it is not acceptable in all the countries. Or a correct spelling of another word, such as writing here, when one means here, H-E-R-E here, but they could write H-E-A-R also. But totally the meaning is different. Here means ikkada. H-E-R means to listen or no. One means K-N-O-W. No, no. These are the spellings. Spelling is different, but they are also come under homophones. But there is a chance to have misspell. Sun, S-U-N, S-O-N. Misspellings may be due to typing errors. So lack of knowledge of the normative spellings or lack of concern over spelling rules at all. There may be lack of knowledge over spelling and there may be lack of concern. సో వాడు పట్టించుకోకపోవచ్చు, స్పెల్లింగ్ ఎలా ఎలా రాయొచ్చులే అని అనుకోవచ్చు, అంత అలా ఉండొచ్చు, అలా కూడా మిస్స్పెల్లింగ్స్ రావచ్చు. Whether or not a word is misspelled may depend on context and the orthographic conventions adopted, as in the case with American and British English distinctions. So as because they are the natives of their mother tongue is English, so we should conventions depend upon these two countries. Misspellings can also be a matter of opinion when variant spellings are accepted by some and not by others. For example, because acceptable in American English but not by others. Coming to phonetic errors, phonetics is a field that studies the sounds of a language. You all know. However, English phonetics can be tricky. In English, the pronunciation of a word does not always relate to the way it is spelled. This can make spellings a challenge. See, a word can sound like it could be spelled multiple ways. In what way you spell, but it is the same. Example, concede. See, C-O-N-C-E-D-E, actual word is original, but it can be written as C-O-N-C-E-E-D. Are the same phonetically, but only concede is the proper spelling. Which one is? This one is the proper spelling. This is the wrong. So concede is this one is the correct spelling. See here, Bagstone Garage, car sales, main agent, some PX direct. So what it was written? Stock changing daily. So every day there will be change. Cars purchased. It should be written as P-U-R-C-H-A-S-E-D. But what it was written? Purchased. This is a misspelling of purchased on a service station sign. See how it was written. So it is the misspelling. A word has silent letters that the writer may forget to include. You cannot hear A in realize, but you need it to spell the word correctly. So you have to You have to write A. Realize you only say RE, LIZE. But you have, when it is written, you have to write A. If not, it is misspelled. A word has double letters that the writer may forget to include. Accommodate. Actual word is this one. This one is accommodate. Example. Frequently misspelled is ACCOMMODAT. But actual original the spell written to be is accommodate. This is the original thing. So misspellings. The writer may use double letters when they are not needed. So for example, write does not resemble its phonetic spelling whatsoever. Try to become familiar with words that have unusual non-phonetic spellings so you can be on the lookout for them in writing. But again, the best way to avoid these misspellings is to consult a dictionary. The main thing is you should consult a dictionary whenever you are unsure of the correct spelling. You have to refer that is the right way. That is the correct way and no other chance. You have to refer the dictionary, standardized dictionary. So I already told you these homophones. So there are some words given in the question bank for you people to write your exam. I will provide you. Thank you all children. So go through this video and make interest of your spelling and be care of your writing. Thank you all.